Hi everybody, this is Rock with Millioniser. Thanks a lot for posting that London video promo into all of your blog spots and for asking questions. I've read a lot of that stuff. I've been online, and hopefully today I can show you the Millioniser a little bit more up close and perhaps answer some questions that you might have, show you what it's about, or at least scratch the surface of what it's about. You can find out all of what's going on with Millioniser by going to www.millioniser.com. The Millioniser is a breath control unit. There's only one instrument in the world where when you blow and draw, you hear a sounding note, and that's the Harmonica Principle. Wherever we put our mouth and wherever we blow or draw with our mouth, we're sounding a note. We're not using fingering to get us to that note. We're using actually our lips, our mouth, our air. The unique thing about that is that it enables us to free up our left and right hand to do other things. And the Millioniser has built in some pretty cool stuff on board right at your fingertips reach as you're playing, as you're executing notes, and as you're performing. Millioniser is designed so that you can add it to your arsenal of instruments on stage or in the recording studio because it is breath sensitive. It is able to really give sampled sounding software synthesizers a very expressive tone. This Millioniser is plugged in via Midi to a PC computer, and I've called up some IK multimedia software that I'm powering via the Millioniser control unit. I'm using Sample Tank, their latest version by IK Multimedia, and their recent T3 plugins, brick wall limiters, their Amplitube. The reason I'm saying that is because IK Multimedia works very good with Millioniser technology. It's very user-friendly and it is very expressive. You can go in there and make a few tweaks with their software, and Millioniser is powering the daylights out of it. So you can just blow into it. You can hear just by your own diaphragm volume control or vibrato, if you would like to call it that. Okay, so here we have as if you were playing a chromatic harmonica. You have, if you think of it in the Harmonica Principle, there's like a little sharp button here. Okay, so if you're blowing, you're drawing. Okay, and you're hearing the expressiveness just by my giving it more volume through my diaphragm. If you look at the software on the screen, you'll see that volume knob's just going. It's going however way I blow or however way I draw with the velocity that I use with my being. It's going, and you can see the expressiveness in it as well as hear it. It's good for strings, brass, drums, percussion, you name it. You don't need to be a harmonica player to play Millioniser. All you need to do is learn a scale of blow, draw, blow, draw, blow, draw, draw, blow. Like this. And you can transpose with the Millioniser, so you can just hit the enter button to transpose and that command, and all of a sudden you're transposing into any key you want. We'll stay there, we'll call it up and lock it in for now. So anyway, you just need to learn a simple scale. You can transpose into any key. On the right side of the Millioniser control unit, you'll see these buttons. What these are is they call up patches on the synthesizer unit that comes with Millioniser. So you, by pressing the enter button and then calling up a patch of, let's say, 20 or 30, you will hear the different sounds from the Millioniser's own synthesizer unit. Right now, we're powering this IK multimedia software through a PC. So we're not using our own synthesizer. We're showing how Millioniser can incorporate its technology with today's software synths and samplers and give them a complete dynamic and expressive feel. That is, you can give it that by however you blow or into it with your velocity and your expression, and by using the bending bar here, which is the equivalent of a whammy bar on a guitar. Okay, so we have on the left side also a little battery of buttons here, which are really unique. And Millioniser is very compact, and it's all about giving you the power to do some pretty cool things without having to stress too terribly much. Okay, let's show you the octave jumps, octave up, octave down, all within one position. So let's say you're playing this note. Okay, so by just doing this, octave down, octave up, now you can play rhythms with your tongue, which is really pretty cool with Millioniser. And of course, on it goes with your expressiveness and the kind of rhythm that you want to do with your tongue. There's also octave ups, slides, that is, and down slides with the Millioniser. All right, then we have some buttons here that come in quite handy. And what they are is they're half tone ups, whole tones up, and then if you press the two together, it's a tone and a half up. Like and then right next to that you've got the half tone down, whole tone down, and tone and a half down. So you see the expressiveness of Millioniser. Millioniser is just meant to be another part of you, an extension of you. And we hope you like this little demonstration. There'll be more coming in the future. It's just a lot of fun. So from now until we meet again, it's Rock saying, see you later.